and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Spondon on the Midland Main Line, so you're going to be seeing services by East Midlands trains, cross country and probably some freight as well. So let's see what shall turn up. Okay, we have 170 on the way. $171.03. Okay, we have the delayed 1718 East Midlands train service to Nottingham. One 53357. One 53357 to Nottingham. And we got a Meridian on the way. To Sheffield, and there goes 153357. Okay, we've got a Meridian on the way. Two 22021. Okay, we've got a 170 on the way. $170,636. This is what it looks like crossing the tracks at Spondon. Got lines over there and lines over there. And my favourite lighting barrier. Okay, we have the 1744 East Midlands train service to, I don't know, Matlock. $156,405. Here goes 156,405. And we got 170. $175.20. Okay, we have a Bellio Greater Anglia 156 move. 156 418. 156 418. And we got a meridian. Sheffield. Thanks for watching this episode of Trains That. The highlight of the episode was probably the Abellio Greater Anglia move. Until tomorrow, I'll see you next time. Bye.